Nakajing jar ngai jong ki arngut sitanga kibarang sudep ya tho shen na po Indor Madhya Pradesh kibakwan Shangkai Prathai Shaki Thaiñ Sohra bat kibala jar ngai no mentala dap lajandap pras ngi ai halor kani kajing jar ngai jong kini ki arngut sitanga kalami ru ka Jingkynthoh na kitanat pathai kubor baper jong kari India kibala ai khubor halor ki jong ki jing sngo daga bakan tho ya ki jing long jing man jong ka Thaiñ shane bat hakaba kila penbut nam ru dakir kom baper hakaba kila ong baka jaka kam long ka basngan bat ki jaka ki babun kinong tu kinong lute bat kirius new Hapdeng jong kine ki ek kidang don ru kita ki bro ki badang snutanat baniro ya ki jing long jing man jong ka Thaiñ bat kumju ya ka jinglong jingman jong kibru ki badon sya kani ka Thaiñ jongi langba jong kani ka video ka bangan penihang ne Iwei Riewtymmen ilapan pau ela ka jong ka jing sngo ha jing idei bat kani ka Thaiñ jing internet ki jong ka bat kumju ha jing idei bat kibru jong ka Thaiñ jongi kilong kibru ki bakloi baniram kibru ki balesbun bat kibru ki badon ka kamsem ka jing ye barhang ni iru ilakren Kyntu hakajing day bat kinong wan kai snubha kinong wan kai suwari sya kani ka Thaiñ bakin long ki bak pikir bat ki basumar bha tematangin ya pe ya kani ka video ba ini Riewtymmen ila kren hakajing day bat kani ka jingja bat hakajing day bat ka jinglong jingman jong ka Thaiñ
local guide and the people are very helpful and supportive, I will tell you, because when we had hired a taxi, and the taxi driver, he himself was a guide also for us. So from here we went to Bangalore, and Bangalore to Guwahati we had our flight. So already we had booked the taxi and he had come there, and for the next 8 days he was with us day and night. See, day and night he was very nice boy he was. So we have to take the help of the local people, because we don't know where, how, whatever it is, because especially in our place the conditions, the weather, the environment, everything is different, and northeast it is different. No doubt, I tell you, the people are very, very helping nature. They will never cheat you. Weather, awesome, no other words. So, it is very, very important to take care of ourselves right from the time when we go there. So, we should even choose the right time to go. Don't go in the rainy season and all, because it is very difficult. Because you are having the waterfalls or the lakes and all, and to go there you are knowing how difficult it is in a rainy season. That is why we should choose the season wisely. But I tell you, again and again I am telling to all the people of the world that it is the safe place. Don't rely on anyone, because one thing happened like this. No doubt, I am sure that we will get them happily and safely, the couple. But it is the very nice place, and weather is good, people are good, very safe. Nobody will cheat you. Nobody will cheat you. Only the thing is, what you have to do is choose the season wisely. October to March, it is the best season to visit Meghalaya. So, all of us, I am telling you, I am calling the people all over the world to visit Meghalaya, because it is the house of clouds. You can't imagine, I can't express with my words. You have to personally experience it and enjoy it. then only you will realize. So don't get afraid. Very nice place. Only choose the season wisely to visit there. Have a nice day.